Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Aberge, the Daily Trader. It is June 7th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir up 15 cents, 1.67%, closed at 9.13. Post-market, we are down 1 cent. Let's look at what we have here. After this nice green candle we had, when was it? June 2nd, we have been going sideways. So we made higher lows and lower highs. So we are just going sideways. We are still above $9. So this is a nice move today. In terms of the market, it was a nice move pretty much across the market. VIX is going down and everything. So this helped a lot. So let's hope that this continues. This is the 1 hour chart right here. So where were we? So this is the first candle of the day. Came down during the beginning of the day, just like Tesla, and then was pushed back up. Second hour, same as Tesla. The sellers won that round, but then the buyers keep coming, and they are exhausting the sellers. The sellers are being exhausted, and the buyers are winning. And look at this intraday downward resistance that is now support that has been crossed. Stochastic over 60, we like that on the 1 hour chart. And let's go back to the daily chart. We have stochastic quite high at 91. So stochastic at 91, we should be seeing the stock shooting. If it's not shooting now, it is not, but it should be shooting very soon. We have RSI above 50. Let me make sure this is on the daily chart. And the MI, this is going to happen when things really turn around for good, when we break this downward resistance, most likely. So where's our Palantir to the moon guy? He has been pretty consistent, but we are going to scream that with him this time. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.